So guys, we know it can be very hard for us to memorize rules and pronunciations though. But don't worry, that's why we're sharing these games to make the learning process easier for you. So let's have another fun ways to learn and improve your knowledge of English vowel sounds. Today, we are going to use minimal pair. When we say minimal pair, it is a pair of words that vary by only a single sound, usually meaning sounds that may confuse English learners, like the F and V in fan and van, or the and E in desk and disc. For this exercise, you'll need a list of minimal pairs. Practice or record yourself saying the words out loud, speaking clearly and exaggerating the sounds. Are you ready? Let's now practice different kinds of vowel sounds using minimal pairs. For example, minimal pairs E and E. Sit, seat. Again, sit, seat. Chip, cheap. Chip, cheap. Very good. Next, minimal pairs A and A. Wet, wait. Again, wet, wait. Fell, fail. Fell, fail. Good job. Another one. Minimal pairs A and E. Bad, bad. Again, bad, bad. Man, man. Man, man. Perfect. Sometimes it's difficult to hear the difference between certain vowel sounds. You can make it easier for yourself to hear the difference by practicing saying similar words. By making the sounds larger, you can hear and feel the difference better. That's the reason why we're here to guide you in practicing. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoy learning. Once again, I am Ellie from Boost English. See you next time. Goodbye.